Hello, my name is Elizabeth and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the last day of the year. I'll film it from beginning to end, I believe, in the street. Yeah. I'm proud of myself to keep doing those things, but when I was starting to make those videos I didn't have my way to welcome and to end the videos, so this is what I'm doing today. Before starting the video, go and get subscribed, give some thumbs up and activate the notification bells so you won't miss any video. As usual, also stay till the end to see the photos I took that day, and if you want to know which equipment I use, go down there in the description box. You'll find the links and also links to my social network so you can follow me, since I'm more active in Instagram or in Facebook, like I post daily, so you can interact with me more often. But let's now start with the video. Hello, we are going today to Canary Wharf. It's the last day of the year. I know it's a bit late to put this video. We will go to the fireworks show in Westminster. It's quite famous, and I'll try to make some long exposure shots there, but it's daylight. I don't know what time is it. So we are going to run some errands, prepare some things to take with us. Well, we wanna be around 4-5 hours just inside the zone we will be. So that means that we need to be prepared, have some snacks with us, drinks, etc. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Try to make some photos as well, because we're going to Canary Wharf. So let's see how the day goes. I'll leave you with the rest of the video. Place, there is a garden in the top, as you can see. So we are here just spending a bit of time and to make some photos. My girl is with me, so I'll show you just a bit of this. It's a really good place in Canary Wharf to come, relax. Today there's not too many people here. I don't know how it's in a regular day, but it's a good place to come in the middle of the city, or in the middle of the Canary Wharf, to come and rest. This is what I was talking about. Okay, there is a lot of noise here. This is what I was talking about. Winter Lights is going again next year or this year. I don't know when you're looking to the video. When are you watching the video? So I'm excited to come. just waiting for our friends to, I hope you're listening to me. Wait. Okay. To find our entrance. Unfortunately, the area we are is not super cool. I think we're gonna have a bridge blocking part of the view, but since it's fireworks and it's in the sky, we're gonna see things. Hopefully, we're gonna get a nice spot so I can put my mini tripod and I can make some long exposure of the fireworks, which is what I'm trying to do today. Otherwise, I will do it with the phone, and it won't be the same quality, but I'll try to show you at the end. So let's see how it goes. Let's see what shots I can get. And as always, stay till the end to see the photos I've done today. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Will let you now see the photos I took that day and night. To close the video. I hope you liked it. Let me know down there in the comments which photo was your favorite. I'm sorry about the stabilization. I know I got the stabilizer, but for these videos I didn't have it, so I'm sorry for the shaking on the video. I hope you liked it anyway. So again, remember to subscribe, give some thumbs up and activate the notification bell. I really hope you like it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.